There is a lack of knowledge and tools to design future-oriented policies, programs, and services for younger rural generations, namely those aged from 18 to 29 years old. For this reason, we have delivered the Future Youth Information for Rural Areas, a strategic foresight and forecasting toolbox for anticipating rural young people's needs and perspectives, co-developed with all stakeholders across 14 European countries.
During the last year project, we have developed this tool, completing different stages. The first step was to develop the methodology behind this tool. During a 3-day training workshop, we defined a way to co-develop forecasting scenarios with young people.
After that, we put into practice the methodology for the tool with 2 national workshops in different countries, with groups of young people, which permitted us to improve and deliver detailed guidelines for researchers and facilitators.
With the experience of these pilot workshops, we trained the researchers and facilitators of 12 countries to deliver the national workshops with young people, which is the core of our new tool.
We have developed, till now, 4 dimensions of our tool: mobility issues, education, employment and entrepreneurship. More dimensions will be delivered in the upcoming months. The process has been monitored by an independent team to ensure the quality and reliability of the methodology and results.
The benefits of this tool are the tailored foresight methodology, the participatory scenario building, the customizable component of the results, the scalability and flexibility, the knowledge transfer, and ethical and inclusive innovation.
We can offer the results in many different formats and with many different components, tailoring the reports to the needs and objectives of each organization and institution. Visit our website to know our project details and tool in depth, and contact us for more information.